How to read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing. In today's tutorial, I'll show you some ways to read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing, perfect for when you want to check messages privately. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now go to settings. On Android, tap on three dot, and on iPhone, click on the settings icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on this privacy option, then turn off read recipients. Now when you read messages, the sender won't see those blue ticks. Keep in mind this also means you won't see read receipt from other. Another way is to turn on airplane mode on your phone. Open WhatsApp and read the message while offline. Once done, close WhatsApp completely before turning airplane mode off. You can also read messages from the notification preview without opening WhatsApp. Android users can add the WhatsApp widget to their home screen to read messages without opening the app. And that's it. This is how you read WhatsApp messages without the sender knowing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.